Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us today. Whether you're cooking, walking, or relaxing with your headphones in, we're glad you're here.
This podcast is all about learning English the fun and natural way by listening to friendly conversations and learning useful words and phrases you can use every day.
Yes, we always speak slowly and clearly to help you understand. And we promise to keep things easy, real, and fun.
So today's topic is one that everyone can relate to, making new friends.
Let me ask you a question. Do you find it easy to make friends?
That's a good question. I think I'm a little shy at first, but once I feel comfortable, I love meeting new people. You?
I think I'm pretty outgoing. I like talking to strangers at events, in cafes, even in elevators sometimes.
That's very you. But it's great because making friends helps us feel happy and connected, especially if you live in a new city or country.
Right. And it's also a perfect way to practice your English. Talking to people helps you speak better, even if you're just learning.
Let's teach our listeners some helpful words and phrases for making friends, and we'll use them in a real way so you remember them. Basic phrases to start a conversation. Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? Do you live around here?
These are all simple but powerful. People love when you show interest in them. Useful vocabulary. Friendly. Kind and nice to others. She's really friendly. I liked her right away. Shy. Feeling nervous to speak. I was too shy to say hi. Outgoing. Opposite of shy. You enjoy talking. Ben is so outgoing. He talks to everyone. Introduce. Tell someone who you are. Let me introduce you to my cousin. Conversation. When two or more people talk. We had a long conversation about music.
All these words will help you sound natural when talking with someone new.
Let's talk about where people can make new friends, because that's a big question.
Great idea. Okay, here are some good places. At school or university, sit next to someone new and say hi. At work, talk to people during lunch or on a coffee break. At the gym or fitness classes, ask, do you come here often? Language exchange meetups. You speak English, they speak your language, both win. Online communities, like Facebook groups, apps, or games.
Yes, and hobbies are great too. Join a dance class, art group, or cooking club. Shared interests help conversations flow easily.
Let's share some simple tips to help our listeners feel confident. Tip 1. Start small. Smile and say hi. You don't need a long conversation, just a small start. Tip 2. Ask simple questions like, do you live nearby? Do you work or study? What do you do for fun? Tip 3. Listen more than you talk. People feel good when you really listen. Tip 4. Share something personal. Even just I love coffee or I'm learning English helps people connect with you. Tip 5. Be patient. Friendship takes time. Keep talking and it will grow.
Those are great tips. And if you make a mistake in English, no problem. Most people will appreciate the effort.
Let's do a fun mini conversation now, like we just met.
Sounds good. I'll begin. Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here?
Not really. I just moved to the city last month. How about you?
Oh, cool. I've lived here for 5 years.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you have any favorite places to hang out?
Yes! There's a small cafe near the library. Want to grab a coffee sometime?
Sure, that sounds nice. Making friends in English doesn't need to be scary.
Start with a hi, ask questions, smile, and just be yourself. That's the best way.
And don't worry if your English isn't perfect. People care more about kindness than grammar.
So try talking to someone new this week. Just one person. You never know. It could be the start of a great friendship.
Okay, friends, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please give us a like. Hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And tell us in the comments, how do you make new friends in English?
See you next time for another fun episode of English with Emma and Ben.
Bye!